let's play Taboo.
It's time to play the Exquisite Corpse game.
What if one day someone found a TV that shows them the future?
Imagine you're playing a real-life game of chess.
Tell me about a time you felt embarrassed.
Imagine a group of friends.
Okay, let's open up some breakout rooms. As usual, we have the library if you want to work in silence. Don't forget, if you're listening to music, pop your headphones in or pop yourself on mute. We also have our collaborative spaces for those who are working with partners, and we've got the feedback space as well if you are needing some help with today's prompt. Okay, let's open up those breakout rooms.